Hello everyone, let's do the worksheet number 24, Geography chapter Agriculture 4. Please write down your name, class, section, roll number and date. Okay, now let's start. Question 1. Tick, write the correct option. Growing tea requires, for tea growing, require well-drained loamy soil and warm wet climate. Well-drained loamy soil climate, high rainfall as well as alluvial soil, high temperature and heavy rainfall. High temperature, high humidity and rainfall, alluvial clayey soil. For tea cultivation, which kind of climatic condition required for cultivation of tea? Yes, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Neha.
Ma'am, option D.
Option D. High temperature, high humidity, rainfall, alluvial clayey soil.
Yes, ma'am.
No, it needs well-drained loamy soil. Well-drained loamy soil climate, high rainfall as well as. Option B is right. The crop that require high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days with bright sunshine for growth and grow on black and alluvial soil. Options are wheat, millets, maize, cotton. Imad?
Ma'am, cotton.
Cotton. Yes. Common commercially grown grains are wheat, maize, wheat and rice and maize, rice and millets. Common commercially grown grain are yes, Ananya Jain,
Ma'am, wheat and maize.
wheat and maize. Yes.
Maize.
The farming in which no genetic modification is done is known as mixed farming, commercial farming, organic farming, subsistence farming. Yes, Neha?
Ma'am, organic farming.
Organic farming in which no artificial pesticides or fertilizer or no such modification, no genetic modification required in organic farming. Only natural manure, natural pesticides used in organic farming. Next, Melpa, Roca, Ladang are the term similar to, options are commercial, zooming, nomadic, none of these. Yes, Anshika Agarwal.
Ma'am, option B is zooming.
Zooming, yes. Option B, zooming is right. Yes. In the blanks. Dash, first is dash include all those connected with extraction and protection of natural resource. Which kind of Economic activity. Yes, Chaitanya.
Am I audible?
Yes, beta. Yes, Chaitanya. Aditya Jain. Okay, 2 false is left. No problem. First we complete fill-ups. Aditya Jain. Chaitanya. Chaitanya, are you giving answer?
Ma'am, I don't.
Yes, Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, primary activities.
Primary activity, yes. Next fill up. In the dash, natural pesticides are used instead of chemical fertilizer. अभी हमने किया था. Yes, Imad.
Ma'am, organic farming.
Organic farming. Third, in commercial farming, crop are grown and animal are reared for. Harshit Deswal. Neha.
Ma'am, for sale in the market.
For sale in the market. Fourth, major plantation are found in the dash region of the world. Major plantation are found the dash in the world. Yes, Chaitanya. Ananya Khara.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, major plantation are found in the tropical region of the world.
Tropical region of the world. Yes. Now let's do true false. First, the land on which crop are grown are called arable land. Yes, Chaitanya, give the answer.
Ma'am, which one? Fourth.
First, true false. The land on which crop are grown are
Oh,
called
ma'am.
arable land.
The land. False.
Aryan Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
First, true false, beta.
Ma'am, false.
False. Anshika.
Ma'am, it is true.
It is true. Why, Anshika, it is true? Can you explain, Anshika, why it is true? Yes, because the arable land is suitable for agriculture activity. That is why our country is a 2/3 of India population involved in agriculture activity, because in our country we have a arable land, the land which is suitable for these agriculture activity. Second, crop, dairy, poultry, the product are common input for agriculture. Yes, Imad.
True.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, true.
True.
Yes, ma'am.
These are inputs. Crop, dairy, and poultry. These are inputs or output. These are output. These are result. The farmer get harvesting, after that he get crop. The milkman gets milk, dairy, and poultry. These are the output, not input. So this is false. Rice needs moderate temperature, loamy soil, heavy rainfall, and moderate humidity. Is it right or wrong? Yes, Aryan?
Ma'am, rice crop always need a hot and humid climate. Ma'am, not moderate temperatures.
Yes. Wheat needs more temperature. It is wrong. Maize requires sandy, which is less fertile and low rainfall grow. It is also wrong, because millets require sandy soil, not maize. Maize require well-drained fertile soil. Brazil is the leading producer of coffee, followed by Colombia and China. Yes or no? Yes, Chaitanya. Anshika,
Ma'am, it is true.
it is true. Good, Anshika. Now come to the match. Next, move on next page and match the column. Column A, match column A with column B. Commercial rearing of silkworm, known as commercial rearing of silkworm. Aryan Singh. Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, sericulture.
Sericulture. Cultivation of grapes. Aditya Jain. Ivanshi.
Viticulture.
Viticulture, yes. The science and art of cultivating on the soil, raising crop and rearing livestock. RN Singh.
Ma'am, agriculture.
Agriculture. Breeding of fish in specially constructed tanks. Neha Jain.
Ma'am, pisciculture.
Agriculture. Growing vegetables, flowers, fruits for commercial use. Ivanshi.
Horticulture.
Horticulture, yes. Very short answer type question. What do you understand by the term HYV seeds? Ananya Jain. HYV seeds.
Ma'am, HYV seeds are high yield variety seeds
Yes.
that
High yield variety seeds. बोलो.
that are developed by scientists to improve the agriculture, because before too much seeds get destroyed and it cause the wastage of food.
Next. Agriculture development. Agriculture development. RN Singh.
Ma'am, agricultural development refers to the efforts made to increase the farm production to
Increase
meet the growing
to meet the growth
demand of increasing population.
population. Yes. What are the important beverage crops? Chaitanya. Beverage crops.
Tea and coffee.
Distinguish, Chaitanya, give answer in complete form. Distinguish between subsistence farming and commercial farming. Saksham Tiwari. Okay, Anshika Singhal.
Subsistence farming. Subsistence farming is a form of agriculture practiced solely to meet the needs of the farmer's family. The practices involved are usually old-fashioned. Commercial farming. Commercial farming is a practice in which crops are grown exclusively for commercial purpose, that is, sale in the market.
Very good. Now, what is plantation farming? Ananya Jain. What is plantation farming?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, plantation farming is a type of commercial farming in which only one type of crop is grown. for a year.
Crop of tea, cocoa, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana, cotton are grown. Now differentiate the lifestyle of American farmer and the that of Indian farmer. And Neha Jain.
Ma'am, in Indian farming is the labor intensive and traditionally methods for farming, and in US heavy and advanced machine is used for farming.
Yes, and whereas the American farmer had 250 to 300 hectare of land, and whereas the Indian farmer having the small farmer having 1.5 hectare of land, and he used traditional method tractor, and whereas the American farmer use connect his land with the computer and with the satellite to for check or keep check their land and for observation. So there is a lots of difference between the lifestyle of American farmer and Indian farmer, because the American farmer do this agricultural activity as an entrepreneur, not as a peasant farmer, but Indian farmer work as a farmer. Okay, I hope it is understood by all.